In this tutorial, we'll be learning one of the most amazing Android text animation library, which is named as TextPath Library. The animation due to the library is shown as follows. Now, let's get started. Let's start by creating a new Android project and select the empty activity. Let's name this project as TechInfi. We'll start by including the desired library in our dependencies file. The library is shown as here. We'll just copy paste this into our dependencies. Also, the minimum required SDK version for this library is 16. So we'll change it to 16 and we'll now sync our project. Moving to the activity main.xml, we don't need this text view anymore. So we'll just remove this. We'll start the preview and we'll start entering our desired text path view. Different constraints as we are using the constraint layout. We need to show painter, so we'll set it to true. Also, the path stroke color, I'm setting it to color accent. The duration for my text, I have set it to 5000 milliseconds, which means it is equivalent to 5 seconds. The ID is set to, now the last is the text which we need to show. Now moving to the main activity file, we'll create a variable for our text path view as we'll define it here is equals to find view by ID, and we'll enter the same ID which we used previously. Now we'll set the start animation variable and will set up the direction, that is the start to end. Now we'll just simply build our project. It has built successfully. Now let's just run our app. See, this is how it will work. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.